Thank you. Okay, this is the May 7th core team meeting at new time on Thursdays. Well, Thursdays in this part of the world. Okay, first item is stage RFCs, stage design, whatever we call it. Nico.
Okay, there's some developments here. Actually, I don't know where to put links, but we have, so on the Lang team side of things, we have a kind of meeting coming next Wednesday. Josh and I sketched out a proposed procedure to introduce a sort of pre-RFC step, what we call the proposal step, where you bring a proposal, and um, the idea is to help people sort of both help steer people from away from investing effort into things that are not going to see the light of day because they're not aligning with the priorities, but also help get more support and encourage people to bring proposals like where they get a liaison and we'll help them develop the full RFC, because I've gotten feedback many times that the RFC process is intimidating and they would rather have someone sort of work with them to do it. And we have a meeting to discuss that next Wednesday. But it just also ties with the idea of project groups and so on, since some ideas, if they're big enough, the idea is that we'll go ahead and roll it in with a group to work on it. And I think, yeah, so I'm hoping we'll actually make this change, or one like it.
Okay. Next is legal issues. I'm pausing about this because we said to check in mid-May about the licensing stuff. I have a new item about the terms of, it's a new old item, the terms of the forums, but we can talk about it in the private part. I wasn't sure which part should go in.
I mean, you sort of spoiled it in the public part.
I mean, it's in a public forum post already, and someone's bringing up non-commercial, that there are non-commercial terms on the CC license. And I feel like this started us talking with the lawyers about policies and stuff. And I don't remember where we landed on this particular issue.
I can't remember either, but I'm happy to follow up on it if you think I should.
Yeah, that would be great.
Probably just restart. Or maybe I'll start by searching my email because maybe it's in there. But
yeah. But yeah, there's an issue with links to both things, and I will assign that to you. Okay, the next item is white papers. So Florian's not here. The next item is the target tier policy RFC.
no update on my side except for mention that there's on the compiler team, we got a proposal to add a target. What was it? I forget the details. Illumos or
Luminos, yes.
They were saying that they would like to come in at tier 2, and they have some people who would be volunteering to sign up and deal with bugs and so on. And so I haven't really thought more deeply about it, but it seems okay to me.
Yeah, like we need to find CI capacity for that, but I think we can probably merge a couple builders. So hopefully that shouldn't be a problem.
I have some additional background context I can share on this if it's helpful or not. Basically, Oxide Computer is a company that's building hardware and plans to eventually sell it to people, and they are in the process of evaluating. They're doing Rust for all of their software, and they're currently deciding whether to use Luminos or Linux as part of their thing. And a lot of them are from the people who used to work on Luminos, so they're doing a bunch of work for Rust on Luminos. And so they're just kind of like upstreaming the patches that they had and would like prefer to help support Rust on Luminos because they love the OS, etc. So that's like the context is this is like a hopefully production user someday, and when they actually start selling things and stop building things.
Sounds good.
Okay, anything else for the public part of the meeting? Okay,